In this video, you will learn how to fix a missing ribbon or toolbar. I'll show you 3 alternatives to fix this error in Autocad. As you can see, there's no ribbon here in my Autocad interface. Also, if I try to go to the CUI and hit enter to try to see my workspace, we can see that there's no workspace. So, let's fix this. The first step is to type CUI load. This is the easiest method, but it's also the less effective. So let's try it. Now we're gonna find our ACAD file and hit open. Then we're gonna hit load. As you can see, this fixed the problem. Now, what happened if this solution didn't work for you? Well, that's why I have a second alternative. This is a stronger alternative, so let's do it. We're gonna go to the ACAD file inside Autocad, and then we're gonna rename it. For instance, I'll rename it ACAD 2. Now I'll grab the ACAD back file and simply rename it, removing the back text. Now this file became my new ACAD file. Then we will have to go to the Autocad and type CUI load. Now we're gonna select the new ACAD file that we just created or rename it and open it and finally load it. And boom, we have our ribbon ready now, showing in Autocad. Now, what happened if this alternative also didn't work for you? Well, now we have our third alternative, which is the strongest one. In this alternative, you're gonna have to restore Autocad to the default settings. We do this by clicking in here, finding our Autocad version, and then reset settings. We will follow the process by simply accept and click yes. This solution is the final solution and will work 100%. As a reminder, please follow the steps. Do not jump straight to alternative 3 without trying the first 2 alternatives. Which solution worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. For more tricks, subscribe, comment and share, because we are lazy.